Subtraction with examples. Let's learn. John built 7 sand castles on the beach. The waves washed away 3 sand castles. How many sand castles were left? There were 4 sand castles left. 10 crabs are playing in the sand. 2 of the crabs fall asleep. How many crabs are still playing? 8 crabs are still playing. Pam collected 8 starfish. She threw 3 back in the water. How many starfish did she have left? She had 5 starfish left. 6 seahorses are sleeping. 4 of them wake up. How many seahorses are still sleeping? 2 starfish are still sleeping. There are 9 sea turtles sitting in the sun. 1 sea turtle goes for a swim. How many sea turtles are left? There are 8 sea turtles left. Sam saw 5 lobsters on the beach. Then 3 lobsters walked away. How many lobsters were left on the beach? There were 2 lobsters left on the beach. Bob has 7 seashells. He loses 6 of them. How many seashells does he have left? Jen sees 10 seagulls. 5 of the seagulls fly away. How many seagulls are left? There are 5 seagulls left. Sam has 8 beach balls. He gives 4 of them to his sister. How many beach balls does Sam have left? Sam has 4 beach balls left. There are 6 flamingo floats on the beach. One of the floats loses its air. How many floats are left? There are 5 floats left. Nice work.
Hi my dear kidsies, thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Also like and share it. Have a beautiful day. Bye bye bye.